En avant marche. Réussi. Okola petit peu yangwana. Bato basangani bipai na bipai. À suivre. No comment. Sakana na bana mboka apapole ya kopeta papa sakanaka na lavage kotise yango pressé mama azoke siri kebet muninga yeko zwaye over the pony you pendant que fête ça kuna hein
can't go.
My
stepfather will kill me if he sees me there. You want me not to leave the house.
That's so wicked of him. But why is he treating you like this?
I don't know. He just hates me. He's trying to make my life miserable.
Well, do you still want to go for the party? I mean, everyone is there.
I want to see things for myself. I'm scared my father will see me there. He'll kill me.
Let's just go.
Okay.
But even if I can go, I can't go like this. Look at me.
Am I looking as long as we don't go.
Okay. Awa teste badi pratique. Boss na boss. Bima batala yo. La forme nyosa monde entier zaliao. Ko se moine motel munal live tot bike. Deux zaliao. Le moyo kobuka luketo pamba makonyo pete aluka kobina te bazoluka te forme kobuka makino makasbo ejeta ida c'était bazoluka forme no, nous n'avons trop. Presse atelier, moi sourire, il y a encouragement. Balongwe. Petit maboko. Mama na ngai. Na bino pe. Oh moto. Ba pe bo aza moto. Bosi. Oh moto. Oui, il y a la forme. Il y a la balle, les répétants, il y a derrière. Papa. Palulongo la bango, oh, il y a palulongo la bango. Goliath a zosé la banana. Ezali Kangwangolu. Il y a élection de Dieu. Vous dansez, et vous dansez, il danse, elle danse. Loulou. Goliath a vu bango basuite yanga bana. Dura bana Goliath. Dura bana Goliath bango yo. Yo kabanas. Bana Goliath. yoka ba forme bana Goliath ba forme ba position séduction vena ndenge Goliath ye moko azobeta maboko kaka koencourage bana te Goliath azobeta maboko aencourage bana na ye oyo te balokoli maboko balokola tala oyo babanaka ye chinekene tala Goliath ye moko abima alakisa babenaki baganye Goliath alobaki basalaki succès tika bagene okuna Goliath makambo molukeli bato awa Goliath si aponi ayebi aponi bana nanga okomona Goliath sila na yo bwaka mikroko na yo pe mama dans l'hôpital,
Amechi. Using my two daughters, I prepared them specially for this occasion. Make sure the prince. But you know I'm not in a position to do all that. I know that if you set your mind that you can do it, make the prince take all my daughters. I'm going to reward you handsomely. You know that I can do it. I'll try my best. Do your best for me.
Corruption. Mama nangai. Bango bale pe kuna baya. Lelo baye peko esengo bana ba ko bina ndamu jeda eti ko ba militaire Prince Aketemis Amoni de loin Papa Moni mais Lukima e batata losi bave amama nini ka Papa mwana oyo kopesa nga kopa test eza ko continuer
Your mother wants to find out if you've chosen anybody.
Regarde basoko poni moto. Zonga ko. Amaka. Yakao.
I told you not to leave this. And yet I saw you at the palace. Right? You disobeyed me.
You disobeyed me.
Disobeyed? Kneel down.
Fukaba.
Papa, didn't I tell you?
Papa,
didn't I tell you that this girl doesn't listen to anybody again? And she came there with her boyfriend. She came there with her boyfriend.
Amaka, you have started following me in my own house.
Hey!
Get me again. You want to put me in trouble. You're following me.
C'est l'ozomo. Zuela yenzeta nyoka. Pardon. Papa, pète bien. C'est pitié. 3 contre 1. C'est pitié. Yeyo a se retrouvé na bilanga. Toujours na ba forme ba robe na ya Kermanzend. Et ça les passe. Et ça lui passe bien aimé. Papa so kansa kazali konyoko la ye. Zo kazali ko bebisa éducation ya bana na mibale na katanda ko ba yebi misala te. Basket moko na tonkli. Poser le la pierre. On y ira. Alaisance. États-Unis. États-Unis à soir un rendez-vous ya ba répétition. Chaque 12 heures. Représentera. Bimela ya.
Hey, wait.
Don't be
afraid.
You're the prince.
You're the prince. Huh?
Yes.
Oui.
You are the woman after my heart.
You're the one singing a lingi. Pardon.
Can't be. I'm nobody. I'm only a servant.
No, not anymore.
No, c'est pas ça.
I've looked forward to seeing you. Hopes that you would come.
I have to go. My stepfather will kill me if I don't come home now.
No. Not when he realizes that you're favored by the prince. I'll be delighted to hear you sing again. Could you please sing for me? I'd like to hear your voice.
Sorry, I can't.
Non, je peux pas, je dois partir.
Here.
Machette.
Would I see you again?
Choisi, élu par Dieu. Coin. Azali ko se senti qu'Azali na ye désintéressé. Azali na ye dignité à mériter en go. Tandis que Bazali comme si Bazali qui n'est pas mérité en go Bazali contre à côté. Mais à se sentir désintéressé. De la même manière, notre maître aussi Jésus, il s'est senti désintéressé. Il s'est senti comme quelqu'un qui n'avait rien, qui n'avait pas de maison. Il s'est trébalé d'ici et là pour chercher où il pouvait reposer sa tête. C'est ce qui doit être notre exemple. Oh, Goliath, bonjour.
You meet me well.
Mazi, I have a message for
you. Oui.
His Highness the Prince requests that one of the maidens that live with you should be brought to the palace immediately.
The prince sent you, eh?
Prince,
now one of them should be brought. Immediately to the palace. Come and join me.
Thank you, sir.
Merci beaucoup.
Which of my daughters
has
the prince made his choice?
Akudo
or Nama?
Nama.
Which one?
I'm sorry. The prince chose Amaka instead.
Apone Amaka.
My stepdaughter.
Oh, you wanna?
She's not immediately available.
The prince says as soon as she's back, she'll be brought to the palace.
Tell the prince that I will bring her myself when she comes back. Bring the prince for me.
Okay.
Ameji?
Yaka.
I don't really understand.
Confusion totale. Il naquit au premier ciel. Il s'appelait Emmanuel. mwana bato wapi? Azali komema ye wapi? Ezali pass.
Yeah. If I may suggest, I don't think there's anything wrong with that girl, Chinelo.
Je crois qu'il n'y a rien de bon à moi.
She's pretty.
As a boy,
besides, she has been tutored to love you, adore you, and to live with you.
Chimbale, you don't seem to understand. This is not a matter of training someone to love me. This is choosing my wife myself.
Do you consider the psychological trauma? Move no man from this village may ever seek a hand in marriage.
No. Don't try to make me feel guilty. Now that's not my fault. That's the fault of my parents. And this should also be an example to other parents who arrange marriages for their children. It's not right, it's not fair, it's not proper. Now I came back to my homeland to choose myself a wife, and I will do that. I'm sorry.
Je suis désolé.
I'm very sorry.
Vraiment désolé.
I think I wish you the best.
Je crois que nous souhaitons toujours meilleur, ok?
Do we still have that wine?
Oh, it's still there.
Come, let's go. Yaka.
I still don't understand what you saw in that girl. That is so
You wouldn't understand.
You won't
understand. You see, I've traveled far and wide. Seen different women. But there is something about that girl. She's different. There is something about her that touches my heart. There's this inner glow in her, beyond the ordinary eyes that I see. You won't understand, Chimbale. You won't understand.
But you just met her.
You're welcome. Where is she?
I have not found her yet. I've searched all the nooks and crannies of this village. I have not found her, you see. But that's not a surprise. She has this incurable habit of disappearing for days and
that will be enough.
Ok,
thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup, papa. Longwao.
Thank you.
Merci, Prince. Merci. Amechi.
I want you both to organize such parties. You must find that girl and then bring her to me.
Certainly, Your Highness.
Certainement, ça va se faire. Recherche bandit. À la recherche de Amaka. Il est là, Kanabango. Azobele la kaye. Amaka. Marche.
You can't go on like this. You've been sad for days now. You have to forget all about that girl.
Perhaps I will organize another party
and invite all the beautiful women.
You don't understand. She's the only one I want.
But she's gone.
Because she has no respect or regard for you.
That is not true, Dad. She's a lady that knows herself. Knows her heart. A lady with self-principle.
All this you understood in one day?
Yes, Dad. Now I'm going to look for her, and I will not rest until I find her and marry her.
We can give you more than a dozen other girls.
No.
You know what she once told me, Dad? She said to me that one can only find true love when one follows his or her heart. And I am following my heart right now, Dad.
Perhaps you made a mistake choosing her.
The only mistake I made, Mom, was to let her go the other day.
That is always
Why is it so difficult for you to understand that? I'm not just seeking or looking for any of the girl. If I were, I would have married abroad. I made up my mind and came to my homeland to get married to a girl with special qualities. And I found those qualities in Amaka.
Chinelo has been trained and nurtured to serve you as a queen.
Why are you bringing that up again? Why?
I want you to make us happy. This Zodike has been our family friend. He stood by me when my selection as Igwe was raging. And I made him a promise. Marry his daughter, Chinelo. And my days will be longer. Is this real?
Yeah. Papa le bibala. Chioma. Auto pesio pour na libala. Pour ba jour nanga e umela na babele. À suivre.
Is this real? Or is it a game? It's the feeling inside of my heart I can't explain. Is this happening? Am I in love? Somebody please tell me I'm in love. 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 Somebody please tell me, yeah, that I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Somebody please tell me I'm in love. Somebody please tell me that I'm in love. Is this real or a game?
Ezali pasi ye bakanga basinga awa epai ya Goliath. Chasseur moko pe kuna zo ya zolo kabisa ke boko ya ko confondre ke boko confondre azo yemba mama okenda wapi mama pona nino kufa avant Nemo mama oza wapi okufa avant pona nini mama Chasseur azoyoka abobeta otala nani ke boyo comprendre. Chasseur azo sa position. Yeah. Malé bazani amate. Chopé chasseur. Même si on s'anyama. Abeta bal. Na mimi ngabo.
Who are you?
What
are you doing?
My name is Amaka.
Comment on a Amaka?
Mazia Kamre's stepdaughter.
Nazali, fille adoptive,
How did you get
here?
He brought me here. He brought me here today.
What evil did you commit to any such a tragic punishment?
Nothing. I didn't do anything.
Get up. I hope I did not wound you.
Malé. Ici comme otakufaka Zabazang Sakate Kostinda ba bon samaritain. La Bible dit l'ange de l'Éternel campe tout autour de ceux qui craignent Dieu pour les arracher du danger. Tango zalaka moto tambolaka na kata kreta nzambe binime atako kutani na liboso ya ba bal ebele atako nyati bombo nyati mine nzamba kotika yo te akosuka yo makolo bakanga pasi yao méchanceté ya Goliath. Deuxième fête, Yaturoyo, enfin, Prince Andimi Abala Mwasi, famille Eponela Kiye, depuis la voyage. Yewana pe azui, corne, et Tony Samina Masaga, Akereko Melissa. Prince, enfin, Prince Azakso Sina Chouate, et Sengela Bala toujours, Mwasi Oyo, famille Bogisa Kipona, Yama Koto. Goliath échoué. Ah, Prince Azobala malgré c'est quoi ça et ça lui passe. Et ça lui passe bien. Aïe, Azuvin, Amélie, Apese Prince payé Wanazui, Prince Abaniko Salango na passage, Prince Abaniko Kene na passage pour Yamela, Prince Abuaka Beso na Liboso, Prince Abola Botazaliko Yamalembe Malembe. Yeah! Confusion totale. Amaka ressuscité. Kourekei. Goliath Atala Boye Amaka Bokanga Meti Bozela Amaka.
Where have you been?
Yozakiwa.
I've searched for you all over the town. Partout. I found her in the
Nazue na Zamba.
What were you doing in the forest?
My stepfather and
Papa
my stepsisters took me to a faraway forest that tied me up. They wanted me to be devoured by animals. He saved my life.
Akangi maboko na ngana basinga. Goliath. Lelo ko sala facile boso David.
Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup hein, chasseur.
You shall be well rewarded.
Okozala récompensé. Merci.
Now listen everybody.
Allez, bien on boyoka.
At last,
du moins,
I have found true love.
Na poni bolingwa solo, super amour.
The one that my heart has been looking for.
Bolingo motema nange banaki koluka.
All of you.
Bino nyos.
This is my bride.
Épouse nangai. Ah Lusimbe. Mam. Lusimba ko. Yango na ebisa bino Lusimba ko. Enfin, Prince Apodi.
Father,
Papa,
I beg you,
Nabondelio,
give us your blessing.
Pesa biso mapambole. Pesa bango.
It shall be well with you, my son.
Tout ira bien avec toi, mon fils, Goliath.
It shall be well with you, my daughter.
Boni, hein?
You shall live peaceably like husbands and wives. It shall be well with you.
Tout ira bien avec vous.
Have plenty to eat and to spare.
Boko zala na esengo.
Go well in life.
Boko vivre vie à molai. Lusimba, Lusimba. Allo kotaka moto nase. Akomisie moto tina. Wana baninga bako mona. Bako kumisa kombo na yo. Uta ebandeli ya moto. Okamataki seputulu. Eloko ezangi nango tina. Yango salelaki moto. Elingi koloba se boye. Eh! Bagarde. Bozo elanga tata wana boya na yao.
Music!
Oh! Toko ki mave. Batata luki mave. Luki mave. Ah! Enfin, célébrons tous le mariage. Que le mariage soit honoré de tous. Les lits conjugales, exemple d'essuyer. Ezali kabwangolu, ezali kabwangolu, ezali kabwangolu. Azwingolu na miso na nzambe o. Ezali kabwangolu, ezali kabwangolu. Azwingolu na miso na nzambe o. Bien-aimé, tabola na kobanga nzambe, batela nzoto na yo nzamba ko honore yo kozwa libala kitoko. Soko mi bateli yo kozwa libala ya malamu. In God we trust. En Dieu, nous faisons des exploits. Nzambe apambola bino, ezaki bongo bino moninga wa mikolo nyoso évangéliste Caleb Mbanda na voilà. Oyo na lisugi ya filme oyo nde tokoka kodedie bino conseil oyo apprendre ou à laisser. Ce qui est sur la biso azoki te. Tomonana na ba film oyo ekoya à suivre. Yeah yeah yeah. Yeah.